Lovely kids. A for apple. B for say, tell me boss. C for cow. D for dolphin. Say loudly. E for eagle. F for fish. Z for garden. H for hat. I for igloo. J for joker. K for kettle. L for lemon. M for say monkey, whoop whoop. N for notebook. O for octopus. P for peacock. Q for quilt. R for rain. Say rain. S for sun. T for turtle. U for umbrella. V for vegetable. W for winter. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Z for zebra.